Hi, did you know that the sound of your voice can change the way that your brain functions? That when we chant, those vibrations resonate throughout your body and activate many of the different brain regions. And this process can reduce stress, it can clear your mind, and it can improve focus. But it's not just about the words. It's about that vibrational energy, that sound energy that penetrates deeply into your neurology and into your unconscious mind. Ready to harness the power of your mind? Join me on our up and coming masterclass, Radical Surrender into Sovereignty, and learn the neuroscience of mantra and how you can apply it. Your brain will thank you.